Pa-react lang, Chair, dun sa sinabi ni PRRD.
Anong sinabi ni former President Duterte?
Ngayon, kinasuha na siya sa DOJ.
Ano yon? Kasi I would not know what the complaint was filed before the DOJ. If it's about his remark, ang sagot lang doon, ano yung reaction ng mga tao nung narinig nila yung remark ng former president? Tumawa lahat. So does that encourage disobedience to the authorities? It was just plain joke delivered by the former president. So no serious guy would ever file a case against him because obviously it was just a joke.
Sabi, sir, former president nga naman yung nagsabi, tama ba na ganito siya magsalita?
Just like anyone else, ma'am, in that sense.
It requires criminal
But it might
intent.
encourage
Wala
other
namang criminal intent.
people nga naman na kung patayin nga yung mga senators.
Wala ngang, actually, in that sense, if you're going to blow it out of proportion, probably ikaw yung isa dun sa mga hindi tumawa. All of us just laugh off what was said by the former president.
Pero sir, sabi po kasi hindi daw po dapat ginagawang biro yung pagpatay. Pero naging norm na daw po yun kay President Duterte.
Alam mo, yung mga ganong klaseng salita, pabalik-balik din yung mga sinasabi nila. You have known the former president even before when he was mayor and then he became president. Is there anything different from what he said recently to what he said when he was mayor and when he became president? Nothing.
So, balikan po
So you just have to take it at that, by his word.
So, political persecution nga to, attorney, sa tingin ninyo, kay VP Sara?
Of course, we cannot describe it otherwise. This is part of a plan probably to eliminate her as a probable contender in the 2028 national elections. That's my personal belief, but I cannot speak for her po.